Welcome to IMG Worlds of Adventure in Dubai. We're entering the Lost Valley for the colossal Velociraptor launch coaster. As we move through the queue, check out this massive dinosaur skeleton. The raw danger is clearly waiting for you. Dive into true 3D and full VR immersion. Move your smartphone or tablet to look around. For the ultimate 3D effect, use a VR headset. Velociraptor in 3D. We're at the station, ready for our journey into a forgotten era. The Velociraptor is a powerful Mack Rides launch coaster. We're about to be catapulted out of the hall to live out the legendary hunt from the theme, so buckle up. Hold on tight, the chase is about to begin. That was the wild hunt of the Velociraptor. Launched to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, followed by a 38-meter tall vertical loop and a total of 4 inversions. An adrenaline rush that fits perfectly into Dubai's Lost Valley. Attention, coaster experts. The track layout of this launch coaster is legendary among fans. Which famous ride in a European theme park has the exact same layout? Write us the name in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.